Hello, welcome to Emmanuel Maths Academy. So let's look at this question on the board. Given y equal to x power 5, differentiate using first principle. Right? Let's say that by definition, first principle is the y, the x, and this d is delta, or change in y with respect to change in x. It should be x. Is equal to limit as delta x tends to 0. F of x plus delta x minus f of x over delta x, right? Then we don't put this in this form. Remember, this is your f of x, right? So from this now, your f prime of x is equal to x plus delta x power 5 minus x power 5 all over delta x. We are supposed to have our limit here, but first of all, we'll introduce our limit later on, right? Now, from this, you expand this. How do you expand this? We expand this using binomial expansion, right? So by binomial expansion, using the Pascal triangle, we have that if you have, this is for what? Raised to power 2. To get the next step, you have 3. This plus this plus this. You now add 1, 1 to maintain the pattern of the triangular pattern, right? So this is for raised to power 3. Then for raised to power 4 is 4, 6. This plus this will give you this. This plus this will give you this. For raised to power 4, you add 1, 1. Then for this you have 5. You add 1, 1. This you have 5. This you have what? You have 10. This you have 10. Is that clear? This is for raised to power 5. This is for 5, right? N equal to 5. Now, if you have a plus b power n, and let's say the n is what? The n is raised to power 5. How do you expand this? You have what? 1ab plus 5ab plus 10ab plus 10ab plus 5a, plus 10ab plus 5ab plus 1ab. Is that clear? Then from this now, the a will start from the raised to power 5 in descending order. You have a raised to power 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Then from here, from here again, b will start descending from the raised to power 5 in descending order. You have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. This is equal to what? A raised to power 5 plus, because b raised to power 0 will give you 1, 5a power 4b plus 10a power 3 b power 2 plus 10a power 2 b power 3, right? Plus 5a b power 4 plus b power 5, right? So now use this pattern, applying this in the sense that your a here is x and your b is what? Dx. What will you have? You have that f prime of x is equal to x power 5 plus 5x power what? 4 dx plus 10x power 3 dx raised to power 2, right? Plus again 10x raised to power 2 dx raised to power 3 plus 5x dx raised to power 4 plus dx raised to power 5. Remember your s power 5 here. You now add minus s power 5 all over what? Dx. to have x raised to power 5 here, it cancel out minus x raised to power 5, right? Then if this dx divide through, then you now have f prime of x. Then at this point, let's introduce our limit. Limit as the f delta x tends to 0. You have 5x power 4 plus, because it will cancel out, 10x power 3 dx. We have 1 dx remaining, right? Plus 10x power 2 dx raised to power 2 plus 5x dx raised to power 3 plus dx raised to power 4. Now applying this limit, when the x tends to 0, that means anywhere you see the delta x, you substitute the value 0. So if you substitute the value here as 0 here, substitute this here, here, you now have the f prime of x is equal to 5x power 4 plus 0 times this will give you 0. 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 Now have that f prime of x is equal to 5x power 4. Now recall that if you use the general method of differentiation, you still get the same thing. Where you have that given that y equal to x power n, dy dx is equal to what? N x power n minus 1. If you want to differentiate this, now y is equal to x power 5. dy dx is equal to what? 5x power 1, 4 minus 1 equal to what? 5x power what? Now this should be 5 minus 1. It should be 5x power 4.